Why hello, I'm Noel. How are you doing? I'm super fantastic. In today's video, I'll be shopping inside a Japanese supermarket called AEON. So, AEON is a very famous Japanese supermarket. You can find AEON all over Japan. And today we're here at AEON Shinonome, which is my favorite supermarket in Tokyo. The reason why I'm filming today's video is because I wanted to show you guys what's like inside a Japanese supermarket. It's going to be fun. And another reason is because I'll be moving out of Tokyo to a place called Hokkaido. I'm really excited for that, but since this is my favorite supermarket, I wanted to film and record this experience of shopping here so that I can always look back and like feel nostalgia maybe. Well, let's go inside. As you can see, this is a huge supermarket. In front of the store, we have a mini truck selling burgers. Here's a hotel for pets, dogs and cats. Our destination is on the first floor. That's exactly where we'll be shopping, and I want to show you guys the products that are exclusive to Japan. When I visit other countries, I just love going to supermarkets because the products that they sell are so different depending on which country you are. So welcome to the Japanese supermarket. Let's use this shopping cart. We will also need this. And here's something really interesting. Behind me, you can see small tablets. This is pretty innovative, I think. So we choose one, we put it here and press start. Here we'll be able to scan products that we want to purchase. So let's use this. I haven't really decided what to purchase yet. I'm currently here at the corner where it's selling fruits and vegetables. Here's the bakery. Ooh, it smells so good here. They also have sweet breads. Ooh, pastries, donuts. This is Reward Kitchen. So you can purchase pre-cooked meals here. Ooh, looks nice. Sandwiches. And oh, look at this. This is called ohagi. This is a Japanese sweet rice bowl. This is so good, so good. Oh yes, you can see inside. Since I'm moving out of Tokyo in 4 days, I think, I wouldn't want to purchase too much products because I'll have to empty my fridge before I go. So let's just purchase things that doesn't require to be stocked in the refrigerator. Next to the packed vegetables and salads, we have delicatessen. So this is pizza. I want to show you guys the Japanese stuff. Oh, so this is Japanese style fried chicken called karaage. This is really good. Also, we have fried products and ooh, tempura. Yes, this is traditional Japanese food. It's really good. And it's quite reasonable. You get to choose the vegetables you like. They also have meat tempura, which is good. Okay, so this is what I really like. This is onigiri, Japanese rice balls. For those of you who are not really familiar with Japanese food, this is not sushi. This is just rice balls, but you see here we have salmon inside and we have other products, other flavors. There's so many onigiri. I think all Japanese people like onigiri. This is really traditional. Here, this is the bento box. So a lot of people in Japan eat rice every day, so they always include rice like this, flavored rice with chicken. This is the bento area. It's huge. And they also have nice discounts. And this is like the miso soup. Goes really well with Japanese meals. We all need protein, and I like taking protein from soy. So here's tofu. I also eat meat, but I like tofu and another soy product called natto. We'll be looking for that next. The insane amount of tofu. Oh my god. Wow. Now it is time to use this machine. We just press scan. And here's the tofu with the barcode here. So we scan the barcode and it's done. We just put the tofu inside and continue shopping. Do you guys like seaweed? Because if you like seaweed, we have so many seaweed here. Ta-dam! So this is called mozuku, mekabu. There are different types of seaweed, but these also go well with rice and other stuff. So I'm going to purchase mekabu today. This one has 30% discount. That's nice. Scan complete. If you're a fan of sushi, be prepared because we are here, guys. Sushi, this is sushi paradise. Oh, sushi, oh my god. So these are sushi rolls, and a lot of them have discounts because we need to eat them today. And here's another type of sushi, which is like the basic sushi with fish. There's so many, it's hard to choose. Wow. So sushi, we have sashimi, which is basically a raw fish. So it's sushi without the rice. This is the fish sashimi area. Fresh and delicious. And next to the fish area, we are coming back to the soy area. That's where we'll find natto. There it is. So natto is fermented soybeans. It is considered to be one of the healthiest foods in the world, at least in Japanese food culture, because fermentation is crucially important. I recommend this natto, by the way. It's nice we got to see some Japanese products. Other than that is pretty much normal, I would say. We have the meat area and other areas selling snacks. Let's go see snacks next. And as you can see, one of the reasons why I like this store is because the ceiling is really high and I feel comfortable shopping here. It's really big, but we can find our products easily what we're looking for. Here's dressing. Oh, I'm looking for a Japanese sauce, by the way. It's like a sauce that I use every day. It's called ponzu. It has like this vinegar taste, but also if you like salty taste, it adds this very, very elegant flavor to your meal. So this is ponzu. We also have a lot of different flavors for ponzu, but I'm just going to pick the standard one. Well, this should do. AEON is so convenient. You get purchase products for pets and daily products such as tissues and laundry stuff and cleaning stuff. If you like miso soup, don't forget check here. Here we are at the noodle area, including cup noodles. It will be one of the healthiest options, but this junky taste is actually pretty good. And recently, the quality of these cup noodles are increasing, such as these ones. They taste really good. If you don't have time to go to the ramen store, you can just eat them at home. Speaking of health, this is one healthy option for noodle, which is called soba. I personally like soba a lot, and it's buckwheat noodle. It's considered to be very healthy. I'm still surprised by the amount of noodles. Wow. And here we are at the candy and snack area. Ooh. Do you like sweet things? Because here I'm looking at many chocolate. So these are regular famous chocolate brands in Japan. So this is very famous, Meiji almond chocolate. There's also another brand selling chocolate, which is Lotte. And a lot of people like to consume gummy for snacks. I don't know why. I used to a lot. Here are many types of gummies, as you can see. And of course, we all have Oreo. I've never seen this before. Zero sugar Oreo. Kind of interesting, isn't it? Also, one of the cool things about Japanese supermarkets is that you can find collaboration products with animes and mangas. I'm standing right here, Detective Conan, Jujutsu Kaisen, yes! There's also Kimetsu, oh my god, Blue Lock, Haikyuu. Look at this, look at the amount of collaboration products. They usually come with gummies, gums, or potato chips, or chocolate. Oh, there's Twisted Wonderland. I'm a huge fan of this game. Let's get this. Oh, looks very nice. I'm gonna get 2. Also, if you're a fan of video games, Since this is the country of Nintendo, we can find snacks such as Splatoon 3 potato chips. And we are here at the snack area. Oh, this is actually really famous in Japan. This is like the noodle snack called Baby Star Ramen. They have different flavors. We also have snacks from, all over the world, so that's pretty much it. But I think that the most famous potato chip in Japan is the one that's called kataage. Oh, I found it there. There it is. We have different flavors where it's a simple potato chip, but it's really hard and crunchy. Next to the potato chip area, we are still at the snack area, but this is more focused on snacks called senbei, which is, I think, Japanese traditional snacks made out of rice. So it's very, very crunchy, it's hard, and it goes well with Japanese tea such as green tea. Well, here they are. This is senbei and another type called okaki. They have different shapes, different tastes. As you can see by looking at this whole area, senbei and okaki is an important part of Japanese snack culture. I think I'm going to skip the meat area because there's nothing really special about it. But since we're here at the alcohol area, let's have a look. So this is Japanese sake. There are different types of Japanese sake called Nihonshu. There are other types called shochu, which is technically not kind of different from Japanese traditional sake, but it goes well on its own, or you can mix it with other drinks. Here we are. And as you can see, there are many bags here stuffed with rice. Yes. Most people in Japan have rice cookers at home, so we purchased these huge rice bags and cook rice at home. We're still in the alcohol area. Here we can find beers and also like sweet cocktails. They all taste good. I think I might purchase one for myself so that I can drink tonight. Here's whiskey and wine. If you like whiskey, make sure to try these Japanese whiskey brands. Some of them are quite cheap and reasonable, and they taste pretty good. So this is the type of sake called Nihonshu. They're made from different ingredients, so it's not very simple. It's really complicated. I'm not really familiar with Japanese sake, but I wish to learn more about them. So time flies when we're in a supermarket. Is it just me? I really like shopping here. And we're at the frozen area. They sell frozen products. They also sell like ice creams and stuff. Oh, there's the tea area. Let's go. So here we have drinks. We have sweet drinks, we have coffee, Coca-Cola, but here's the tea section. So you can purchase green teas in bottles like this. There are many brands. There are different types of Japanese tea. So I think these are like the most famous ones in here. Again, I wouldn't want to purchase too much products because I only have a few days left in Tokyo. And I think this is going to be our final area for the grocery shopping. We're here at the bread section. Well, you might think, well, bread is like common all over the world, but I'm going to show you guys some funny breads that are, I think, exclusive here in Japan. So here we have the sweet breads. So these are like snacks, but there's one specific type of bread that's really common here. It's called melon bread. Here. So it has the shape of the melon. It doesn't really taste like real melon, and they don't even use melon, I think. But the name came from the shape, and they also have like chocolate chip melon bread. These are so popular here. And here we have anime collaboration breads. Pokemon, yes, Pokemon bread. I used to eat a lot of these when I was a child. Nostalgia, Black Rekusa. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Next to me, there's like the cosmetic area, but we won't be going there today. Time to end our shopping here. Let's go to the second floor. So the cashier is over there. It's really easy since we have already scanned all our products. This saves us a lot of time. Let's just go. So we press here. Pay. and we scan this QR code. Register number 1. Start, so it's all registered. We choose our payment method. We're going to the next level. So before signing off, I just wanted to show you guys one more thing. Our destination is on the 2nd floor. I'm sure most of you guys will love it, since this channel features a lot of Beyblade, and I think you can already guess where we're heading to if you're a fan of Beyblade. There's the food court selling ramen and other Japanese noodles, but our destination is on the other side. So as you can probably see, this is a gigantic store. If you're interested in visiting AEON, this one is AEON Shinonome. I'll leave the link of this store and the address in the description. Make sure to check them out along with my SNS accounts. I have Instagram and TikTok. And meanwhile, we arrived at our destination. Here we are at the hobby area. Kamen Rider. Oh, isn't this the latest Kamen Rider? Oh, nice. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. Oh yes, I mean, it was a pretty obvious guess, wasn't it? But yes, Beyblade. So this is a nice store for day hunting. Basically all AEONs in Japan, they sell Beyblade. They have a good selection. Here they have, I think, all the products, including night lamps. There's one Dronzer left, but we cannot find Beyblade Burst products anymore. So if you want to purchase Beyblade Burst products, I think going to a second-hand store is a good option. But you won't have any trouble purchasing Beyblade X-Base here. So this was pretty much it. It feels kind of funny sharing this experience, but I'm really happy if you find any of these interesting. Let me know if you want to see other things in Japan. I'll be happy to share these things in my daily life. I truly enjoy making videos, and thank you all. Oh, and it's kind of sad I'll be leaving Tokyo soon, but I'll come back here. This place is filled with good memories, so it's nice that I got to come back before leaving. And I just wanted to say, well, everyone, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.